So we've got this cube in our scene, and you're probably wondering, well, how do I want to change it? I want to edit it. Okay, so this is where probably one of the few parts that's sort of held me up when I started learning Blender, and that's the difference between modes. In Blender, there are modes that we have access to. Now, on this menu, you might see this little thing that says mode, and this is where we can actually choose between the different modes. Now, at the moment, there's only object mode available, and that's because this is sort of case sensitive to whatever we have selected, or a relevant selection. So if we select our cube with the left click, this menu now opens up with a lot more options, and this allows us, we can click here to switch between them, or if you remember in the setup video, I enabled a thing called Pie Menu. Now, Pie Menu is very useful for quickly switching between different modes, and one of the key shortcuts again that we're going to use a lot is Tab. Now, if you press Tab, this is what it is. Our Pie Menu pops up. Now, you may notice that those options from the Pie Menu, or that we have available in the Pie Menu, are the same. Are the same down here. So what this Pie Menu allows us to do is to quickly move the mouse around the Pie Menu and click on a mode. If you accidentally press Tab and you want to get rid of it, you can just right click and that would go away. But the mode we're interested in for this, the most part, is edit mode. So I really want to make this clear, is the difference between object mode and edit mode. So if we click Tab, press Tab, let's do it again, press Tab and then mouse to the right and then click edit mode, you'll notice our cube changes color for one, and also the view changes. Now, edit mode is where we have access to the individual vertices of our 3D mesh, and in here is where we're able to move them and grab them and scale them and change it. Now, object mode is where we basically do not have access to those vertices, and it's where we actually move individual objects within the scene.